1, 2, 1, 2. Come on, push that weight. Don't stop. Come on, no. Come on, you can do better. Breathe into it. You wanna look sexy? Know what you gotta do. Don't let them outdo you. It's every day, every night. Gotta work hard for what you want. And you know the first place to start.
So dope.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Push up, sit up.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Chest press, chest press.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Cardio, treadmill.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Squats, squats.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Push up, sit up.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Chest press, chest press.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Cardio, treadmill.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Squats, squats.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Gym. All my gang go gym. Gym. All my gang go gym. Gym. All my gang go gym. Gym. All my gang go gym.
Muscle gains not down to genetics. One more rep, that was perfect. Step with the treadmill when you're back sweating. Came in to better yourself.
You did.
You forgetting? Cheat codes, you're Magneto. Move the weight like magnetics. Can't go missing on leg day.
Where you at?
Girls see your legs and leg it. Mac, Fenty, it's Jim or cosmetic. That weight was way too heavy. Drop it down like confetti. All my gang go hard in the gym.
Push up, sit up.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Chest press, chest press.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Cardio, treadmill.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Squats, squats.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Push up, sit up.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Chest press, chest press.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Cardio, treadmill.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Squats, squats.
All my gang go hard in the gym.
Yeah. Health is wealth. Represent calisthenics. Big up the sexy girls. Train like an athlete, more gains, 4D motors. Leon wheels, the wheels to win, let's go. Yeah. Big up the girls that's putting in work.